Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. It's going to be the start to a page from A Million Cats by Lumea. Today we're going to be doing this page here because I want to play around with some mediums. I'm going to be playing around with the Stabler Stabler Aquarelle. Take 2, the Stabler Aquarelle watercolor pencils. And then for the background, we use some distressed inks. So, I'm going to pick some colors. I'm going to do this and this in like pinks and do them in browns. So I'm going to pick my colors here. So you have to excuse me today. I literally just woke up from a nap. I probably should have just went right out to bed. But I woke up feeling awake. So I was like, let me go ahead and get up, shower, film. I got out of the shower, my brain's like a fog right now. So I'm going to be using these 3 colors, which I think 21, 25, and 61. So I was just in the mood to play around today, so I picked out a pretty bare minimum page. So I hope everyone's having a good day. It is Tuesday evening. I did not film last night because I stayed up way too late watching TV. The Dracula Halloween special premiered on show at midnight my time. I did not see how long it was. I figured it was going to be an hour-long thing like the other show is. It was 2 hours long. So there was no way. Sorry, my eyes are itching. It's my eye. There was no way that I was going to sit down and film after that because I didn't get a shower or anything yet. So I just ended up not filming. Another reason too is I've been reading a lot. So I could have filmed before Dracula. But I have been reading non-stop. Today was the first day since Sunday I have not read. No, I didn't read. Did I read? Let me check. No. Today was the first day I did not read. But I have been in love with one of the books I got from the library. It's called Masters of Sorrows by Justin T. Call. It is so good. And I'm not gonna put it down. The only reason I didn't put it down to read today is because I was in a coloring mood. I did finish a page, which we're getting close to the end of the month, I'll wait. Person of Beauty of Horror Tricks and Treats. It was, if you watch my my library haul, you'll see the page I was working on. I finished that one. So after I'm done with this tonight, I am going to edit, upload it. And as the video's uploading, I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea. And get the books ready for tomorrow night, so I can film a collection video. As well as get together all my Christmas books. Because after this month, I'm going to start coloring Christmas in winter. I'm hoping to run into the newest Creative Haven one, the Trees of Good Christmas one. I think it's Charming Christmas or something. I hope I find that at Walmart because I want that one so bad. If not, I might just break down and order it next month. Or even this month. Because it is just so cute and I love it. There's so many pages I want to do in it. But I'm going to get those all together in my Christmas. All the Christmas books. So they're nice and ready for me when I start calling Christmassy stuff next month. Let me brush off the excess. Start in the layer section, because I know that if you pull the dark out too far, you're going to darken everything up. You know what, I might actually leave these cats white, make them like ghost kitties. I think I like that idea. Or maybe to make a very light gray. I think that looks good. Let's see how it looks when it dries. Maybe this one blue, I think. Yeah, I think I'm going to do them with a light gray. Okay, for blue, I have numbers 302, 37, and 33. Okay, we actually flip it. So yeah, here's the first day I've actually colored them a little bit. I hope everyone else has had a good week. Productive week, a safe week. I know flu season is kicking up. So I hope everyone's safe during this flu season, especially with COVID still going around. Pretty much my family is just going to avoid it all. We pretty much decided we're going to one grocery store and the library, and that's it. If we can't get what we need at that one grocery store, we don't need it. Now there's less chance of exposure. Because we're already having an annoying time enough with allergies. This year we do not need a flu on top of it. Or worse, COVID. So it might get boring going to the only grocery store made a library. But I'm going to risk it. It was disheartening last week we went to Walmart. 70% of people weren't wearing masks again. It's like, oh my god, not again. So I understand that they do not stop you from getting the virus, but they slow the spread of it down. They slow the transmission of it. I have to do my best to avoid them. So if you don't want to wear a mask, just please keep 6 feet away from me. That's all I ask. So that's all I ask of you. If you don't want to be, safe yourself and wear a mask, Just please keep it safe this way from me. Normally what we've been doing is if an aisle is full, or it's full of people not wearing masks, we'll just like come back to it. We'll wait till the aisle empties out and come back. Okay, that looks good. I'm really actually liking these ones. These Desert Aquarella ones. You're almost walking slightly better than the Ortiz's actually. Okay, I'm just going to use 805, the gray, just to use Cat's color. Just so you can kind of tell the difference between like this white and them. And that's what I feel like you today. I feel like I've already collected Juju. You show everyone how she's doing. Because we're not in there that much today. Try to get some tomorrow. She's doing pretty good. She's growing pretty good. Yeah. It's really quick and easy. But still fun to do. Okay, so I have my Stress inks. I have Broken China, Faded Jeans, Salty Ocean, Mermaid Lagoon, and Seedless Preserves. I'm just going to kind of do like splotches around the page, I think. So let's do Salty Ocean. There you go. There we go. Okay, let's get a piece of paper. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So we kind of do like clusters. Yeah, I just want to have a fun page. Playing around with mediums. Yeah, there's the South Ocean. Let's do seedless preserves. There we go. And then, Mermaid Lagoon, Broken China, or Faded Jeans. Let's try Faded Jeans. That's good. Okay, let's flip it. Do Broken China on the other one. Just gonna mix it in. A few layer blue. Yeah. I think that looks good. Yeah, I like that. I really like these. I want to practice with these more. I may have to order a larger set of them. Like maybe some like earth tones. So I have 4 blues, 2 greens, and a purple. So maybe some browns and grays would be a good mix. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I know we really didn't do too much in the video today. It was just a very quick one-off video, but I really enjoyed it. The next one we're going to be doing this month is going to be from Enchanted Halloween. And it's going to be for Cattober and Wednesday 2020. And see this one right here. It's going to be Catherine and Midnight. So this is our next page, which we'll may do tomorrow night or the next night. But yeah, that is it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Really quick, but I had a lot of fun doing it. That's what matters. So that's it for today. Hope you have an amazing day, and until next time, happy coloring.